Alright, so today we are cooking clams. Mussel clams, sorry. So I got this about this $8 box here. Got about 2 pounds worth. I'm probably just gonna cook half because I'm eating by myself. So let's get it going. Alright guys, so what we got here, we got green mussel here, and then the ingredients are going to be onions, you got some lemon, um, I'm sorry, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and onions. Okay, that's pretty much it, and then maybe add a little bit of vinegar, and then maybe salt, pepper, the good stuff. Other than that, make it simple, and it's gonna be a quick one. All right, let's get all these prepared, cut up, and then it should be ready to go. All right, guys. So I got all the ingredients cut up here, as you can see. All the main ones that we need for this recipe. So basically, we got the pan here. We're gonna heat it up. Put some oil in there. Heat that up, and stir fry some garlic, some ginger, some onions, all the good stuff, and then we'll get it going. All right. So I got the mussel here, and we're just gonna grab like a bunch to cook because I won't cook all of it. There's no way I can finish it. Maybe I've tried one time, but as you can see, this is I like this one because it's fresh. And basically, as soon as they got it out of the sea, they packed it right away, and it's packaged right away, so it's fresh. Okay, here it is. So, as you can see, it's looking really good. It's frozen right now. It's the best. So I got about a handful right here, probably about 12 or 10 of them, maybe a little more. But this is how much we're gonna cook. This is only gonna be for one person because I'm eating by myself. So let's get it going. Alright, first thing we want to do, as you can see, we got the mussel here, and we got all the rest of the ingredients here, and we got the pan right here. We got the heat up. We got the heat up. Now we're just gonna put some oil. We are using canola corn oil today. Okay. Alright, and as you can see, we got the pan heated up right now. Just like that one. Heat up, and then we got first thing we're gonna do, we are gonna put garlic. Don't even have to like cut them up, get the cover out, just like that. Fine. Put it in there, and we got the garlic. I'm sorry, onions. I got the purple onions, regular onions, and what's the other? Another onion that I put. Put that in there. Heat it up really high. And as you can see, it's pretty well. We're gonna put some of the chili stuff. This is a Korean chili. Really good. Then we put, come on. What you want to do, you want to cover this up. Let it cook for a bit. Alright, so it's been cooking for a bit now. We're going to do now, we're just going to put the rest of the ingredients. Onions and ginger. Good, got the purple onions. And of course, we got the tomatoes, which makes it, well, since it's going to be a little salty, tomatoes kind of makes it evenly. Okay. And then we want to squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. We're squeezing the lemon. So good. And that's pretty much it, guys. We cover this up and let it cook for another 10 minutes and we should be good. We'll put this on high since we already got everything going, and then I'll see you guys when it's almost done. Alright guys, after 10-15 minutes cooking, is pretty much cooked right here. So this is the end result. We got the mussel with onions, pepper, garlic, vinegar, salt, pepper. It's a simple dish, but it's really good. Alright, again guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.